अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट बी डूइंग ग्रेट। Have you ever had this experience where you bought something and it could be anything, maybe a mobile, a piece of jewelry, clothes, a car, a motorcycle, anything, and all of a sudden you realize that many other people have actually bought the same thing. You can notice that product everywhere around you, almost as if people were just waiting for you to buy it so that they go and buy that. Ever had that experience? I'm sure you have. I have had that experience too, and so does thousands of other people. But it is not something which is random, and it is not something which is unique to you. In fact, it's a very scientific phenomenon. And today I'll explain to you why that happens, how that happens, and how can we use it to our advantage. अजीब सी फीलिंग होती है ना, एक बड़ा अजीब एक्सपीरियंस है। इतने सारे लोग नजर आ रहे हैं जो वही चीज इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। पहले ये कहाँ थे? पहले क्यों नहीं नजर आ रहे थे? अचानक नजर आना शुरू हो गए। वेल, इसका एक बड़ा सरफेस लेवल एक्सप्लेनेशन तो ये है कि जनाब आप नोटिस ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, विच इज नॉट एंटायरली रॉन्ग। यू आर इंडीड नोटिसिंग इट मोर। आप वाकई ज्यादा नोटिस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कैसे नोटिस कर रहे हैं, क्यों नोटिस कर रहे हैं? कॉन्शियसली तो आप उसके बारे में नहीं सोच रहे। इसका जवाब देखते हैं। सो देयर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर ब्रेन कॉल्ड द रेटिकुलर कॉर्टेक्स, एंड द रेटिकुलर कॉर्टेक्स इज अबाउट द साइज ऑफ योर पिंकी फिंगर, and it is at the base of your brain. The reticular cortex is responsible for a phenomena called reticular activating system. Now that sounds complicated, but it's really not. What the reticular cortex is responsible for, among many things, is that it scans the environment and filters out all of the incoming information. And it distinguishes important from not so important. And it brings to your conscious attention only the information which it finds which is important for you. You see, we are bombarded with tons of information on a daily basis through our senses, and consciously we cannot make sense of it. They say that almost 99% of the information coming to us is discarded anyways. Only 1% is noticed by our conscious mind. Our unconscious notices everything. So the reticular cortex scans the environment and filters out anything and everything which it finds is not important for us, and brings to our attention only those things which are important for us. You see, this is our brain's inbuilt system for ensuring that we effectively operate and maneuver through life. Otherwise, the amount of information coming to us will simply drive us crazy. So now, coming back to our earlier quoted example, the moment you bought something, you were talking about it, you were thinking about it, your brain got a message that this is important for you. And as a result, it immediately started to scan the environment and bring to your notice all of the other things related to that particular product. In this case, all of the other people who were using the same product or bought the same product as you, right? Now, how does reticular cortex decide what is important for you and I? That's a separate long discussion. Your deeply held beliefs, your self-concept, the thoughts that you keep in your mind on a consistent basis, all of those help program or evolve your reticular activating system or your reticular cortex. So quite simply, anytime anything becomes important for us and occupies our awareness, consciously or unconsciously, RAS gets activated. Now we understand the fundamental dynamics of how the reticular activating system works. The question is, how can you and I use this amazing capability of our mind to our advantage? RAS has been found to be extremely helpful in identifying solutions to problems, and particularly for goal achieving. One of the things that activates RAS is well-defined, clearly established goals. I will have a separate video, a separate detailed video in which I'll talk to you about multiple ways in which we can program or activate the RAS. But one of the things that you and I can start doing immediately to seek the help of RAS is to keep whatever it is that we want to achieve through RAS in our present moment awareness. Talk about, think about, write it down, discuss with people, keep an image in your mind or whatever it is that you want the RAS to help you with. And pretty soon, the moment the mind realizes that this is something important to you, it will activate the RAS and It will use its natural capability to scan the environment and bring about all the relevant information to you unconsciously. So the way it works is, let's say you want to achieve a certain goal. Let's say you want to learn a new language. You want to learn German language. So what you should start immediately doing is talk about, think about, keep a picture in your mind of you learning German language. Have that in your present moment awareness, consciously. And pretty soon, the mind will pick it up as something important to you. And then it will draw from its natural capability to scan the environment and bring to you people, things, solutions, circumstances that will facilitate you in achieving that objective of learning German. All of this will be happening automatically. All you have to do is to initially keep it in your present moment awareness, initially saturate your mind with the thoughts of that thing, and hand it over to your mind to activate the RAS. So what might start to happen is that you are driving to your home from your office or office from your home, and suddenly a billboard pops up which has something to do with learning German language. You are flipping through magazine and suddenly an ad pops up which talks about German language. You are surfing the internet, you are using Facebook, YouTube or other social media platform, and you start noticing all these discussions and advertisements regarding people offering German language courses. And all of this will happen unconsciously. You are in a meeting, you are at a party where there are lots of people talking about, and suddenly your ear will pick someone talking about German language. These are all the ways in which your RAS will help or facilitate you in learning German language or facilitate you in achieving that objective without you consciously making an effort. All of this will be happening automatically. Try this experiment. In fact, you will love it. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.